Welcome to my channel and welcome to another drone tour of Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. This is an update of a flyover at Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, Eleko Beach Junction. So this is a new development ongoing right here at Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So you can see massive work ongoing in this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. I really love this project. This is massive project, and we really want to commend our president once again for this a great project. Really appreciate you once again. Thank you. But we still demand, we deserve better. We are demanding for more. We're asking for more because we really deserve the best as far as this nation is concerned. Because with everything that God has blessed us with in this country, we're supposed to have the best of the best in all over the world. When it comes to infrastructures in this nation, we deserve the best. Constant lights, good road network, everything. We're supposed to have the best in all over the world because God has blessed this country with a great resources. So we are demanding for more. Please, Mr. President, help us to really work on the major road in all the federation and to put all the infrastructures in place in this nation, Nigeria, including the electricity, all those basic things. We deserve them in this country. We are not supposed to be struggling or to be begging for all these basic things in this nation. So we are really demanding for more, and we believe that God will really help you to put all those things in place by the grace of God. Right? So this is an update of the flyover at Eleko Beach Junction. That's the way going to. This is the way going to Dangote Refinery. I can see the beach at the other side. That's Eleko Beach over there. So this is a beautiful project, and I love this location. And also, in case we have interest in buying properties along this genuine properties along this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, we have one property close by to this junction. It's close by to this Eleko Beach Junction. That's Ime Gardens. So we have a plot of land selling there for 55 million naira. So it's a walkable distance from Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, and it comes with a great title, C/O. It's not under any encroachment or demolition. And also, straight is going to Lekki Free Trade Zone. So along this Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, we have downtown commercial city selling right now, one of the most affordable commercial property along Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. So it's selling very fast along this coastal highway now, so you can take action to key into the project before another price increase. I want to really appreciate our client that have keen to the pre-launch boom price. Thank you so much. God bless you. So downtown is selling for 100 million for 1,000 square meter, all inclusive. While the 500 square meter is selling for 60 million naira, all inclusive. And we have up to 12 months payment plan at downtown commercial city here in Lagos State. You can buy to build your shops, hotel, hospitals, banks, filling station, all kind of business you can build there. You can build at downtown Lagos. And from this Eleko junction to VI Akwa City is just 30-minute drive. The next stop is going to be from this junction down to Free Trade Zone axis. But I'm going to end it here today. This is just a drone tour of a flyover at Eleko Beach Junction here in Ibeju-Lekki. Thank you so much for watching to the very end. I really appreciate you. God bless you. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, share, and drop a comment below. Thank you. God bless you.